welcome back to my channel, Lucky Siblan. Lagay na naman kami po ng leftover na pagkain dito. Magantay tayo ng seabirds na pupunta dito na kakain. Okay, let's go!
A few moments later.
Ayun o, laki ng bunga niya. Zoom natin. Ay, ayaw nila yan.
Why the filter not working? One
Ayan
of
na.
these pictures that was here.
May ibon na naka ano naman dyan.
I'll tell you how you search for it. Wait, not like this. Wait.
Nakita niya yung pagkain.
Busog ng mga to, ayaw kumain. Ayun.
Look.